Arbesu Cruz. I'm a manager of medical device development at AOP Health, and I'm a biotechnologist. I studied biotechnology and biomedical research in Barcelona before moving to Vienna to do my PhD. I decided to stay here, and I started working for an in vitro diagnostics devices company. I worked there for about 4 years before moving to medical devices with AOP Health. AOP Health wants to be the most trusted company in integrated therapies for patients in rare diseases and critical care. And what is at the core of what we do is transforming the patient's experience with know-how, with dedication, and with passion. AOP Health started a bit more than 25 years ago here in Vienna, and it's now present in more than 55 different countries worldwide. As I said before, we work in the area of rare diseases and critical care, mostly in the area of pulmonology, hemato-oncology, and sepsis. Why I think that Vienna is a great business location: it has a great scientific community, produces very good science. There are a lot of universities, many different research institutes, and a very close collaboration between them, and also with the General Hospital in Vienna, the AKH. Basically, it's just a very strong biotech field, and this is growing more and more in the last years, being mostly supported by the Austrian government, by the different opportunities for grants, for funding, other economic incentives. And the location, of course, Vienna, it's at the crossroads, it's at the door between Central Europe and Eastern Europe. And it's a great place to live. It ranks consistently amongst the most livable cities in the world, with your reason. You have a bit of everything: science, culture, technology, nature. It's a great place to live. And another big driver in the positioning of Vienna for an interesting place for businesses is also LISAvienna. I find that it does a great work at supporting companies, at giving visibility to innovative companies, with also lots of information about funding, opportunities for networking, putting in contact the companies with key development partners, key customers. It's a great all-around support for small companies and startups, I find. AOP Health actually got one project granted at the end of 2023 as part of the FFG Life Science Call, and we will also be applying this year for the Vienna Business Agency Healthcare Call. And we think in comparison, some European calls take too long and are too complex. Today is my first day at the MedTech Forum this year in Vienna, and I'm very excited to see what the next 2 days hold. So far, I've seen there a lot of great minds, a lot of big key companies, real drivers of innovation, and I'm very excited to see what I can learn over the next days. You will also be able to meet AOP Health at other conferences, for example, the Austrian Life Science Day, the BioEurope in Stockholm, the Convention of Pharmaceutical Ingredients in Milan, the MedTech Summit in Brussels. And from a scientific point of view, we will also be present at the Pulmonary Hypertension Academy in Vienna, the European Hematology Association in Madrid, and of course the annual American School of Hematology meeting.